With holidays behind us and a couple of cold months ahead, finding solace in small pleasures becomes essential. Despite the demands of long working hours and the ongoing challenge of planning the year, there is a simple joy that persists: painting flowers. I'm Ala, a sketch illustrator and watercolorist, and from 2020 an art teacher. And today I invite you to paint with me a beautiful poppy flowers. I take some ruby color and I add a lot of water. And first thing that I will do, I will recreate with this color the main form of the poppy. And we can have an open poppy that will have this kind of wavy form. Let me take and prepare more color. As the color it is just too light, it should be a little bit darker. And let's paint a poppy that is closed. Now I add a little bit of intensity here in the middle. Meanwhile it is still wet with the wet on wet technique. And I take the technique with dry on wet. I need to take more color and less water. And for example, here and here, because the paper started to dry, I take with plain water and remove the edges. And meanwhile it is drying, I will take some green color and will replicate the stem. Now I will dry the work. I dried the flower, and now again I will replicate here another petal. I dried the work again because the colors started to mix one into another, and it wasn't the idea. And with indigo color, here we come to the end of this art tutorial on how to paint beautiful poppy flowers. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I will be super happy to read all of your comments. And as well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next time. Bye!